What is good? Buổi bằng đấy buổi có buổi mình chưa bằng đấy cho nên cái này thì nên có tổ cái này thì cái này thì rất liên tục cũng là bài của nó là
Mubunge Kipwezi West MP oyokorwanga nere Mwengi Mutuse rituko rigoro nigenyoreta sa konkigima ekera cheta samatanga ase constituency aye aritinse mucha Kipwezi West Mwengi Mutuse nigo agete yes gati ya ababunge bari bagete yes ase finance bill ya 2024-2025 Mwengi Mutuse is one of the MPs bari bagete yes na go support finance bill yiga 80 nyuma ntarachi kukwerera asobwagara asali akorekanete na kugenderera kurwa asensemu ya Kipwezi West tigana arakwa aga video akaigora arigererie amangana agenderete ase ground ritukorigoro.
What is good? Buổi bằng đấy buổi có buổi mình chưa bằng đấy cho nên cái này thì nên có tổ cái này thì rất liên tục cũng là bài của nó là
Mbia mono kira kwa arigererie asa mungana yakorekante tukorigoro kurwa aso mubunge Okipwezi West Mwengi Mutuse niga ekorekana nga ekegori kiga egeke ya Gen Z nigo bono baimukire gitambukiro anene mono kurigereria gochia ase ababunge bari bagete yes gochia ase finance bill gati ababunge bari bagete finance bill go support finance bill ya 2024-2025 nigo bagoteba the generation yiga ya Gen Z kodengana amo na finance bill yiga yengo tuko tax chibesa kurwa ase ebintu bire very important kuna biria biachi sanitary parts cha abanyaruka gochi commentary gori amone bintu binde negento kiage chiti anene mono eke gori ya Gen Z kota support finance bill yiga ya Mheshimiwa Ruto tete ko support tete kwa na mangana bere asaba MP abayiga twararire anene mono ababunge bari bagete yes abange baba bakogande binyoro ime asaba kugamba abane mbareke binyoro ime niko bakorika semitandao bakoyake bikuba batebanga barabo tibari kogoswa na bakogenda asingi niko bachorire. But I want to communicate with you as abashimiwa bari bakere chikura. Not even one instant twarorire ababunge bakoyenyora sakong. Kipwezi West MP Mwengi Kipuze Mwengi Mutuse I mean nigo kero kurigere niga age twe nchererembe. The reason is supporting the finance bill. When you support the finance bill, was say ekara go support anything in the parliament. First of all, na kimwan cheri okari ndio kwa public participation. I wonder if this MP did public participation to inquire whether abantu babamotumeta sevunge go support the finance bill. Not even the Kipwezi West MP Mwengi, but also I want to ask those MPs, those who supported the finance bill 2024. My big question is, did you do a public participation? Kwenye wakolete public participation, then wananchi waliba wakolete chikura bagotomete in the parliament walikuambia nini? The allegations that those MPs most were given 2 million, 1 million to support the finance bill. Those are the allegations and rumors. But if kwanza kuwatekerereta abantu from the ground baka watabinga intungo support to the finance bill, wase ntori go support the finance bill, inkie kabera hostile, the ground is hostile, more especially to those MPs who voted yes, who supported the finance bill 2024-2025. It has forced many of them go sababu mahabira. I just saw an MP from Nakuru. He printed a t-shirt which says, please forgive me, forgive us for voting yes. That is the MP from somewhere in Nakuru County. He printed a t-shirt na pipi yake na wakavaa. So we have seen many of them coming out and asking for the forgiveness from their bosses. I want to say this. If you know ulipiga yes, of course we understand, and people understand, more especially to the ruling party, those MPs, those leaders who are associated with the ruling party, lazima wapige yes, because to support the government, because they belong to the party, ruling party. Excuse me. Karere iko kwenye wagete yes because of the government to make your boss happy. Ukirudi kwa ground, humble yourself. Ukiwa mahali ambapo uko, nyenyekea, just say, I'm sorry, I voted yes, but I understand that you are not happy. Nyinyi kama maposi wangu, I'm sorry, I know next time I must come to the ground, ama I must advise the president accordingly so that we can have a balanced finance bill. So the Kipwezi West MP should calm down. Don't take any action. This generation Z hawataki mchezo, hawapagui, even if it is your brother, even if it is your son or daughter. What they are doing, they are communicating something. So an MP who voted yes, come out, call for a press, say, I'm sorry, I voted yes because of ABCD, but nyinyi kama wananchi mmekataa, and the president amekataa, and now what we do next is ABCD. Make a reconciliation with your people. Don't be ignorant and don't be too rude. The way tuliona wengine wanaenda wanasema hata ikirudi tena kesho nitapiga yes. This generation Z and the next generation that are coming, they don't condone and okay. Nilikuwa nataka kusema jina lingine hapo lakini nimeacha. So that is all. MPs, listen, skiza from your people. Listen to the ground. Don't carry yourself because of you want money from whatever, because you want. Okay, don't carry yourself. It is 5 years. After 5 years, mtarudi tena. Tunaona most of the wengi wao and most of these MPs who voted yes, most of them wapate wakiwa kwa ground. Wanawadanganya keti line, anapeana 200 every person, 200 Kenyan shillings, 200. I just saw the other day an MP from Kisii County. It was from Nyaribari, Chache. Yes. I saw this MP and the rest of the MPs wanafikanga ground. But ukiwa kwa ground, unapata wanakalisha wamama, wazee, vijana. After wamezungumza na mkutano imeisha, unasikia ketini kwa line 200 pesa hapo. Unaona watu wanapigwa pesa. Yeah? For what reason? Hiyo pesa you can spend almost 1 million, half a million per day kupea hawa wazee, vijana, wa mama. Kesho pia utafanya hivyo. And then you find there is nothing in terms of development. We have poor roads. Wanafunzi hawasomi, pesa haziko. But this round I'm very grateful. Wanapeana pasari. That is good. But remember, kuna watu hapa wanateseka. People are suffering. We don't have roads. We don't have electricity. But you find these people, they overspend. Cashing out. Giving cash money instead of delivering development. This generation Z, it has come to remind you that an MP, any leader, you must be accounted to. Lazima you give, you just deliver. They don't want your cash. They don't want you to give them 200. What they want is delivery. Good roads. They don't want to mind utaenda kanisa, mchango, utoe 200 million. They don't want to hear that. Use that money to give opportunities to those youth and other people. Otherwise, thank you. My name is Nyamto Dennis. Ukipenda utanita Kuntu. See you